We've never had a live project like this before.
It's been amazing. Really like my course.
It was a very proud moment.
It's really exciting.
Once in a lifetime experience, could be life-changing.
So this is an amazing sponsored project between Gravity Sketch, Adidas and Montfort University that's really allowing our students to test those innovative boundaries of design. These sorts of opportunities are fantastic for students. It's going to equip them with a brand new skill set that they'll be able to take into industry and use throughout their entire careers.
We had 6 weeks on the project with a group of design from Adidas and the Gravity Sketch mentors. It's amazing how much they learned in 6 weeks. Today we had the final review with the students. We showed the work from the 8 best designers actually from the university. Really happy with the outcome. It took very long, to get here and to make everything possible, but at the end, it's outstanding.
We've done mentorship and meeting everybody and week-to-week check-ins. Everybody was very excited to show the presentations and the work was incredibly good.
It was really nice to see how people present themselves and their project and their thought process. And
The work on Gravity Sketch was really impressive.
Very excited to be part of this program. It's super interesting for us to find new talent in the design space. Always intrigued to see how far we can stretch the brand and how far we can stretch our concepts, and definitely blown away by the levels of thinking and the different, angles the students have taken to come up with new ideas.
Everybody's gone above what we ever expected this project to be, and it's a lot to take on everything that Adidas is and everything that you learn in Gravity Sketch and come out and do a presentation to big dogs at the end of it. So for the students to pick up as much as they did in 6 weeks is fantastic.
No, I think for us, we are always looking for new inspiration for our team to take a next step, and I think the team really, captured our imagination with the concepts they worked on. They were probably a little bit nervous, but I think they all did amazingly well with how they presented their content, their thinking. It was real, right? It was real consumer thought-provoking ideas. Yeah, there was designs that were out there. There was designs that were quite close to something that with a little polish would be very close to what we'd go to market with.
This project has allowed me to interact with people within the industry, talk to people who know the way of working as a footwear designer, and coming here, especially to the headquarters, you can really see how it works and what goes on a day-to-day basis.
Honestly, the best part has been just working with the Adidas team, having that connections. It's great, to have your designs seen by people of that caliber. It's crazy.
I'm really, really grateful, to be fair. It's been a really honor.
It was definitely an amazing experience to be able to present in front of the team, especially Torben as well. And I think that I've learnt skills that I can definitely take forwards into the future.
For us at Gravity Sketch, we learn so much from doing these projects. We're always really impressed by how students take the software, really push it further than we expect it, and try out different workflows and test different ways of working with it.
No, I think the different formats of the team working on Gravity Sketch and also showing us with the headset the models was a great way to look at it. It was fun. I think to see the product in that way and to interact with the actual person who designed it was kind of cool that you could talk with them and see the 3D renders at the same time. It was definitely a good way to kind of convince us that their design and their thinking behind it was super interesting.
For them it's easier to show actually what we want to do, right? You have the 3-dimensional model, you can easily apply colors, materials, you have the story boards behind, and then you have this impression that you're really in a room. I think it's a new way of working.
I believe there's a huge opportunity for us to bring design technology into the overall process, to push the boundaries and showing us a new way of how we can be much more explorative and much faster also in developing new ideas.
I had no experience with Gravity Sketch before this project, but I think now that I've done the training sessions and obviously used it to create my designs, I think that it's definitely something I'll be using going forwards in future projects.
It's the easiest software 3D software you can use. It just kind of opens up a different part of the creativity in your brain.
So with Gravity Sketch, because it's 3D, it can be incorporated with everything. So from wireframes, surfacing, to 3D printing an actual sole. So it could be used in pretty much every step of the design process for any shoe.
It opens up more opportunity to create a better shoe.
Gravity Sketch will definitely be a big part of the future of footwear design.
We believe when the DMU and the Gravity Sketch project designers come with the skills, they will immediately step in and also can spread the skill with the other designers, and then the designers learn way faster.
So this program is very important for students. They get to learn how the footwear industry works and work alongside designers from Adidas and learn the skills they need for going into the industry.
I would just like to say a huge thank you to both Gravity Sketch and Adidas for their help and support throughout this project. It has been phenomenal and we are so grateful and so excited.
I think the skills that I've learned through Gravity Sketch and also the experience of presenting in front of a well-known brand will definitely help me be more confident going forwards in applying for footwear design roles.